Maybe you've noticed it as you've driven around the 4 states. Today's question for our pet vet on call: why do most cattle in a field face the same direction?
Well, I don't think anybody really knows, but there are a lot of theories. Like, for instance, if the wind is really blowing or the rain is blowing from one direction, they seem to all turn around to face away from that so that it doesn't hit their face. Or that they're herd animals, and when the lead cow starts to walk off, they will all turn around and face her because eventually they will be following her. Some people think that cows can sense the electromagnetic fields of the earth, and somehow that affects which direction they face to graze. But I think sometimes it's to make us silly humans sit there and wonder why.
Yeah, that's probably it. We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have this adult female short-haired cat named Mia. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Titus, a 5-year-old boxer pit bull mix who loves hanging out with cats. So maybe you want to adopt them both. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?